Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today it means 12th August 2022. So we have taken two trades and two trades are completely from metal sector. So one I have taken JSW steel and second one that is Hindalco. So first uh, let me tell the details of JSW Steel. I have taken an entry around 11:34 a.m. Yeah, so after formation of this swing and after breaking of this high, I have taken trade. My entry was around 679. My stop loss was at below of this candle, but I have noticed one thing. So as market was coming down, so I thought I made a wrong entry, because of which I exited at 679 itself. So my exit time was around 12:18. 12:18. Yeah, so in this candle I have exited my position at same price, that is 679. So the second trade which I have taken uh, was Hindalco. So in this candle my trade got executed. So in 230, sorry, 12:30 candle, so my trade got executed. I have taken short trade. So my entry was at 441. So by end of this candle my trade got executed. So my stop loss was at 443. So I have put my stop loss as 443, and I have exited in this candle. So yeah, so in this candle I have exited my position. Yeah, so my exit was at 436.50. Yeah, and so in this process I'm also learning the market. So based on that only I have exited JSW Steel at the same price. Yeah, I think this practice is making some sense, and yeah, uh, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.